My favorite stretch to do in the morning is the bretzel. And the bretzel, I don't know how the name came up. It's kind of like bendy pretzel, but you do not need to be super flexible to do this. What this is for is waking up in the morning and getting all the gnarliness and tightness out of your back. Now, granted, it might be a little bit too much for you to start with, right? But let's use this as a template so you can start to think about all the fabulous stretches that are available to us that we can use to feel better in the back. So we're going to lie down and we're going to make sure we have something underneath the head. So you can use a pillow or a blanket or a rolled up towel, but you want head support. And then you're going to lie on your side. And when you lie on your side, you're going to take your bottom leg so that your bottom leg is in line with your hip, and your top leg is going to go above the level of your hip, and you're going to hold onto it with your bottom arm. So that's part one. Then the next thing you do is take your top arm and you reach around and you see if you can grab your foot. And then you pull yourself apart a little bit. You pull your back leg into your back hand. You pull your front leg forward and a little bit down, and you turn your head to the sky, working on anchoring, rotating, stretching the body. And then, of course, you don't want to think, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, I'm so tight. You want to simply breathe in the stretch. This is called the bretzel, named after Bendy Pretzel. But you really don't need to be bendy to do it. There's tons of progressions that you can ask me about that we can make this easier or harder, but give it a try. Let me know how it goes.